Who is suggested to be the chairman of the drafting committee? A. Rajendra Prasad. B. B.R. Ambedkar. C. Sardar Patel. D. Jawaharlal Nehru. The correct answer is B. B.R. Ambedkar. What has taken a toll on the Kashmiris, leading to poor living standards and an erosion of human rights? A. Natural disasters and climate change. B. Political instability and internal conflicts. C. Economic sanctions and trade disputes. D. Cross-border firing and terrorist attacks. The correct answer is D. Cross-border firing and terrorist attacks. Which party is declared as the majority party after an election? A. The party that forms a coalition. B. The party with the most registered voters. C. The party with the most financial resources. D. The party which gets the more number of MLAs. The correct answer is D. The party which gets the more number of MLAs. One of the learning objectives mentioned is to recognize what aspect of the Constitution? A. Its author. B. Its length. C. Its publication date. D. Its formation. The correct answer is D. Its formation. B.R. Ambedkar was conferred Bharat Ratna in the year A. 1987. Born in 1989. Circa 1990. D. 1988. The correct answer is circa 1990. Who supervises the work of various ministers? A. The Prime Minister. B. Cabinet of Ministers. C. Ministers of State. D. Deputy Ministers. The correct answer is A. The Prime Minister. What is another topic for group discussion or quizzes? A. Form of government. B. Educational systems. C. Major industries. D. Tourist attractions. The correct answer is A. Form of government. How many basic principles does democracy in India work on? A. 4. B. 5. C. 3. D. 6. The correct answer is B. 5. How did Pony react when she noticed something strange? A. She ran away. B. She couldn't control herself and whispered. C. She shouted loudly. D. She ignored it. The correct answer is B. She couldn't control herself and whispered. What concept refers to different kinds of democracy? A. Democratic principles. B. Governmental structures. C. Types of democracy. D. Forms of governance. The correct answer is C. Types of democracy. What does HUF stand for in the context of the Hindu Succession Act? A. Hindu Undivided Family. B. Historical Understanding Forum. C. Hindu Unified Families. D. House Union Foundation. The correct answer is A. Hindu Undivided Family. When is Labor Day observed? A. 15th August. B. 22nd March. C. 1st November. D. 1st May. The correct answer is D. 1st May. What type of administrative system rose after the decline of Chola rule? A. A federal republic system. B. A centralized feudal administrative system. C. A decentralized democratic system. D. A system based on communal ownership. The correct answer is B. A centralized feudal administrative system. What type of system was established for local body institutions by the new law? A. Three-tier system. B. Single-tier system. C. Two-tier system. D. Four-tier system. The correct answer is A. Three-tier system. What does a constitution also define in addition to basic ideas, principles, and laws? A. Rights and duties of citizens. B. Foreign policy strategies. C. Environmental regulations. D. Economic growth indicators. The correct answer is A. Rights and duties of citizens. What mental state is required for a member of the Rajya Sabha? A. Mentally sound. B. Mentally challenged. C. Suffering from amnesia. D. Mentally unstable. The correct answer is A. Mentally sound. Despite suffering a permanent disability, what did the athlete complete when he was young? A. Beating the former world champion. B. Winning a gold medal in the Paralympics. C. Secondary schooling. D. Winning the World Carom Championship. The correct answer is C. Secondary schooling. Under which provision of the 1955 Act could people become Indian citizens through the incorporation of territory? A. By descent. B. By naturalization. C. By registration. D. By incorporation of territory. The correct answer is D. By incorporation of territory. Which of the following departments does the Coast Guard not closely cooperate with? A. Indian Navy. B. Department of Fisheries. C. Ministry of Education. D. Department of Revenue, Customs. The correct answer is C. Ministry of Education. What can the governor make advances out of to meet unforeseen expenditure? A. State Contingency Fund. B. Public account of the state. C. State Consolidated Fund. D. National Disaster Response Fund. The correct answer is A. State Contingency Fund. What is the meaning of dignity? A. Social status. B. Physical strength. C. Financial stability. D. Self-respect. The correct answer is D. Self-respect. Who is considered the head of the government at the state level? A. The Chief Secretary. B. The Governor. C. The Advocate General. D. The Chief Minister. The correct answer is D. The Chief Minister. What is constituted in each district? A. A village assembly. B. A special administrative body. C. A state panchayat. D. A district panchayat. The correct answer is D. A district panchayat. What type of tree is mentioned as having countless roots around? A. Pine. B. Mango. C. Banyan. D. Oak. The correct answer is C. Banyan. What vital role does the judiciary play? A. Appointing the president. B. Managing the economy. C. Protecting the rights and freedom of citizens. D. Formulating laws. The correct answer is C. Protecting the rights and freedom of citizens. What is the definition of retention? A. The act of retaining something. B. The act of creating something new. C. The act of releasing something. D. The act of destroying something. The correct answer is A. The act of retaining something. What does free from any external influence pertain to in the judiciary's function? A. Competence in the executive. B. Independence of the judiciary. C. Types of legal sections. D. Accountability to the public. The correct answer is B. Independence of the judiciary. What is required for the all-round development of a human being? A. Cultural heritage. B. Fundamental rights. C. Political power. D. Economic stability. The correct answer is B. Fundamental rights. What is unique about India's position? A. Its military strength. B. Its neighborhood. C. Its ancient history. D. Its vast natural resources. The correct answer is B. Its neighborhood. What is one of the categories of rights mentioned in the text? A. Political rights. B. Economic rights. C. Cultural rights. D. Social rights. The correct answer is C. Cultural rights. How did you score?